Hello guys, in this video we're going to see something new and something interesting. So now whenever I'm clicking on the active cell, whenever I'm putting my cursor on the active cell, you see something that the active cell is getting highlighted with a yellow fill. So wherever I'm moving my cell and I'm just putting everything in the active cell, whenever I'm moving my Excel cursor to the active cell, you see a yellow fill. Now, how this is possible in Excel? Well, it is possible because of a function called as macro. Macro. So you have to record a macro to do this. Okay. And if you really want to get the code which is here in this sheet, then you have to comment on give me the code. Okay. So what you have to write is this. You have to write in the comments, give me the code, and I will put the code in the comment section. Okay. Hope you like this and excited to get the code. Thank you.